In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can delete your Google Ads campaign if you simply don't need them anymore. My name is Robin and let's jump in my screen. So the campaign you see here is the test campaign I just created when creating the account in the tutorial phase. I don't need it anymore, so first I press here the button to pause it, but now I've simply, for the sake of this video, I would like to remove it. So I have two options. I either click here to remove it directly on a campaign level, or I can select all of them if there were multiple, for example, and you can delete them all in once right here. So this is simply how you can delete a Google Ads campaign from the dashboard. Don't worry, from now on the campaign is stop spending. You will be only billed by the open amount in your balance. My name is Robin and I see you in the next video.